Are you looking for a proven hack to make more money online? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. I'm fortunate to have been able to work online full-time for over 20 years now. And I want to share the number one hack that has led to my success. It's the one that's proven to get results. In fact, this one hack is what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are busy at their jobs making money for the man. And this hack is key. Whether you are in affiliate marketing or network marketing, I always use it myself. And the hack is this: always use a complete and personalized custom sales funnel rather than rely on the company websites so many other marketers rely on. And here are the reasons this strategy is so powerful. First, it's a sales funnel rather than a website, and that's what leads to the other big benefits. All the companies have their own websites now. Most affiliate and network marketing companies create what are called replicated websites with your name on them. But those replicated websites are all for the company. They do not promote you. Yes, you still need them, but only after your prospects have been through your own sales funnel first. So, what is a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is a marketing system that leads prospects or leads into becoming a customer, business partner, or whatever your end goal is. The typical sales funnel begins with a landing page that all traffic is directed to. I never send traffic directly to the company page. The landing page is a one-page website. Its purpose is to collect the prospect's contact info, such as name and email address, for follow-up. This is referred to as opting in. After opting in, the prospect is redirected to another web page. It may be a customized sales page or what is known as a bridge page first. At the same time, the prospect's contact info goes into an email autoresponder for follow-up. And that's the second big advantage. It allows you to generate leads and build your list for follow-up. The email follow-up is critical, as the old rule is still true. It takes on average 7 contacts to make a sale. I always run prospects through the funnel before they even see the company page, and that leads to the third benefit. This approach allows me to brand me, build credibility, and stand out from the crowd. See, with your own custom sales funnel, you control the content. I'm selling them on working with me rather than selling them on the company. Always brand and promote you. One of the things that makes our team so successful is the sales funnel we provide everyone for free. We give you 3 powerful landing pages, a high-converting sales funnel branding you, and a series of 30 emails to put in your autoresponder, also branding you. Even people with zero marketing experience can be up and running in minutes, and we are promoting the most exciting and lucrative opportunity I've seen. People from all over the world, even those brand new to online marketing, are having massive success. To learn more, take our online tour. Go to easymoneypath.com. The link is in the description too. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.